Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is business plan. If you are thinking of starting a business, you should know how to write a business plan. Before I go further, all I need from you is to click the like button below this video, and most of all, subscribe to this channel by clicking the subscription button below. Don't forget to click the bell button so as to get my notification whenever I upload a new video. Thanks. Most businessmen and women do say this. Great startup, but why am I not successful? According to research, within the first 5 years of operation, 90% business fail, leaving 10% 110 business last past the first 5 years. What makes 90% fail and 10% prosper? The reasons are: 1. Poor customer service. 2. Poor logistic and cost management. 3. Inadequate productions. 4. Business plan. The major reason is lack of business plan. What is business plan? Business plan is like a house building plan, of which without an architect's building plan, you cannot build a solid house that can last for over 100 years. After, there is also urban renewal. Business plan is defined as a rough map that provides directions. A business can plan its future, helps the entrepreneur to avoid bumps, potholes on the road. A written description of your business future is a documentation that explains what you want to do. This plan can be for a specific period like 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, 10 years. This document is a reference document. What does a successful write-up contain? 1. Your business goal. 2. The method on how those goals can be attained. 3. The time frame within which these goals need to be achieved. 4. Your business plan, if well implemented, will make you achieve your dream and your business will flourish. Areas that needs to be considered while writing a business plan. This will help you with your business and a plan to achieve them. 1. You will be able to define your vision when you start a business. 2. You know exactly what you wish to achieve with your business. However, the clearer your vision can become, writing down your vision will help you to achieve your vision and dreams. This is the first step to help you achieve your vision, and also makes your business flourish. Let's your goals and objective. Research has shown that within the first 5 years 90% of the business fails. Think big. Define your short-term goals and what you want to achieve within 12 months, and mid-term goals, stays between 2 to 3 years, and long-term goals, like 5 to 10 years goals. Consider the revenue you want to generate. 1. The number of outlet you want. 2. Number of customers you need in your database. 3. The target population and segmentation, e.g. age group. Write down your business plan so that you will not forget your brilliance. Ideas that will help you achieve your goals and dreams. 1. Define your vision. 2. Goal and objective, not to limit yourself. Areas that need to be considered while writing a business plan are: Step 1. Define your vision. You exactly what you want to archives with your business. The vision and mission. This will be the first steps of writing a business plan. Step 2. Set your goal and objective for the business. Think big. Short-term goal, 12 months, mid-term goal, 2 to 3 years. Number of outlet you want. Number of customers you need in your database. Age groups. Step 3. Define your unique selling point proposition. Problems. Potential customers. How is your product or services different from others in the market? Sales warranty and support. Step 4. Know your market. Competition. How many petrol stations are there? What service they offer? What are the current and future trends of the industry? Such as gross turnover, profit, you can manipulate them in the future. Step 5. Know your customers. Problems. Thousands of options for every product. What your ideal customer wants. Understanding the motivation behind Customers' actions can make your business succeed. Put yourself in the shoes and think what will make them choose your idea and implement them. Step 6. Research the demand for your business. You must have studied the supply and demand curve. Ample demand for your product. Find out the demand before inventing in a new business. Demand should be more than supply, but if more than demand it will fail. You can do a secondary research right from your home over the internet or your public library. You can even visit government office for this information. Step 7. Set your marketing goals. Now that you have finished your marketing research, the next plan is to set your marketing goal. How your product would look like. What it would cost. How you will distribute it. Ways in which you can promote it. Question areas. The number of product you will sell to meet your targeted goal. What will be your product development strategy? Your price margins. Delivery methods and promoting plan. Step 8. Define your marketing strategy. Now that you have your marketing goals, your plans will be: how many product you need to produce and sell and at what profit margins, so as to get your desired revenue. What will be your system of delivery and your coverage area? What will be the strategies to promote your business? Plan for every eventuality while writing a business plan. Step 9. Take action. Without action, everything else is a waste. This is the most important. All you want is the action, even if you find that according to the business plan, your ideas is not visible. Don't give up. Writing a business plan is not difficult if you know what you should focus on. You now have the idea of what is important and how you should tackle the task of writing a business plan and are better equipped to start a successful business. Start your research today. Jot down all those brilliant ideas. Set your goals, define a plan and don't allow anyone to stop you. Team. You need a team to achieve your goal. This is all you need in business plan, to be continued in our next video, which is business strategy. Thanks for taking your time watching this video. Coming up next is business strategy. In business strategy you are going to learn more about how to grow your business. If you have learned one or two things from these video, don't keep it to yourself alone, share it to your friends. If you are yet to click the like button below this video, please do so now. And subscribe to this channel, by clicking the subscription button below. Don't forget to click the bell button so as to get my notification whenever I upload a new video. Thanks. See you next week Thursday.